guys, this is me Lyssa, and in today's video I'm going to show to you the most innovative eyebrow product that I've ever seen, and that is the Brow Contour Pro from Benefit Cosmetic. Benefit Cosmetic is a company from San Francisco, California, but this innovative product is made in Japan. It's a 4-in-1 contour pencil that instantly gives you clean shaped brows with definition and dimension. So first we have here the lighter brow shade, which is this one, and the darker brow shade. Next is the eyebrow definer, and lastly the arch highlighter. And if you want more of the product that you've chosen, you just have to twist like this. Okay, so let's start with the lighter brow shade, and I'm gonna twist it to get more of the product. I'm gonna use this to fill my inner corner of my eyebrows because there are more hair here compared to the outer side. And I'm gonna blend it using a spoolie. I'm gonna use the darker shade to fill in the outer part of my brows. Just gonna blend with this spoolie. So now I'm gonna define my brows using the definer, and I'm just going to outline my brows. You can blend it with your finger or a blender brush, but I'm going to use my sponge. And do the same on the other side. The highlighter, we're gonna put it here. And blend. So that's it guys, I'm so happy that this product has been invented. It's like the total package of an eyebrow product. So thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.